Namaste to everyone. I am KVA Jagannath Rao from Kovur, West Godavari district, Andhra Pradesh. I have attended this 4th official TCAI workshop from 10th July to 15th July. The way the TCAI officials organized this wonderful workshop given us a lot of knowledge about the tennis cricket rules and regulations. I have learned a lot and I have written all the examinations very well with the knowledge which I have gained from this workshop. I have qualified the level 1 certificate examination. I am thankful to all the TCAI officials.
Hello, hi, this is Shankar from Hyderabad, Telangana. I thank Tennis Cricket Association of India for conducting this workshop very well. The workshop started like Chetan Sharma's bowling. On day 1 it was some issues, and the next 4 days was like Kapil Dev's bowling. Very smooth, very nicely conducted. The trainer has very good knowledge and he gave very good training to all of us. I'm looking forward to attend more and more workshop and go to the next level. And finally, I'm the only one to get selected from Telangana as a national official. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Animesh and I am from Madhya Pradesh. First of all, my heartiest congratulations to Sri Kanhaiya sir and Tennis Cricket Association of India for organizing such a wonderful 4th TCAI official workshop and certification course, which was held from 10th July to 15th July. It was really a great experience for me. I learned a lot from this official workshop and certification course, and I really want to congratulate the whole TCAI family for such a wonderful organization. And I feel really immense pleasure to be a part of this successful workshop. And I extend my sincere thanks to Rintu sir, Santhil sir, Ashish sir, Arjun sir, and each and everyone for your support for completing this official workshop. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, I am Suman Kapoor Gulati from Haryana. I have attended workshop organized by TCAI and I have learned a lot of things from the workshop. So I really want to thank from the bottom of my heart to TCAI for giving me this opportunity to showcase my talent. So I have appeared all the exams organized by TCAI. So I become now national official, national umpire, and I cleared level 1 exam for umpiring, for officiating. So I want to thank all the members of TCAI for this opportunity, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you all. Thank you so much.
From Kolgam, Jammu and Kashmir. It is really great pleasure for me becoming member or national official of Tennis Cricket Association of India. I have never seen before in my life such a great official workshop and certification course, because the way the members of Tennis Cricket Association of India organized it, the way they have concluded it, the way they have taken the level 1 or level 2 exam. I am thankful to all the Tennis Cricket Association of India for their dedication, for their simplicity, for their hard work. I wish all the best to all new national officials. Thank you.
नमस्ते, मैं स्वप्निल दीनानाथ टोमरे, महाराष्ट्र स्टेट डिस्ट्रिक्ट थाने से। कुछ दिनों पहले टेनिस क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंडिया ने 4th ऑफिशियल वर्कशॉप एंड ऑनलाइन कोर्स ऑर्गेनाइज किया था। उसमें मुझे पार्टिसिपेट करने का मौका मिला और मेरा हुनर दिखाने का मुझे मौका मिला। तो मैं सभी मेंबर्स का तहे दिल से आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ। और उन दौरान जो एग्ज़ाम्स हुए उसमें भी मैंने अच्छा करके अच्छे अंक प्राप्त करके मुझे टेनिस क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन का लेवल 1 में आने का मौका मिला। मैं तहे दिल से प्रणाम करता हूँ। जय हिंद, जय क्रिकेट।
Hello, my name is Vijish from Calicut, Kerala. It's a great opportunity to participate Tennis Cricket Association of India's 4th official workshop and online certification course held on 10th July to 15th July 2020. Thank you for this well organized and meaningful event. Thank you for all organizers of Tennis Cricket Association of India and Level 1, Level 2 officials. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
My warm regards to everyone. Myself Sitara Mandrekar from a very beautiful place, Goa. I had participated in this workshop and certification course under Tennis Cricket Association of India. This was my first time wherein I got an opportunity to interact with many dignitaries and got to learn many things about cricket. I feel so lucky that I am the only one female candidate from Goa who made up to this. So I am thankful to the organizing team for this amazing organization. Thank you so much.
मैं राजीव सिंह कन्नौज उत्तर प्रदेश से लास्ट मंथ 10 से 15 जुलाई के बीच टेनिस क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंडिया के द्वारा एक ऑनलाइन वर्कशॉप एंड सर्टिफिकेट कोर्स ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया, जिसमें मैंने पार्टिसिपेट किया। उसके बाद उसका एग्जाम हुआ। एग्जाम में मैंने अच्छे अंक प्राप्त करके लेवल 1 ऑफिसर में अपनी जगह बनाई। मैं थैंक यू कहना चाहूँगा टेनिस क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंडिया का, जिसने मुझे इतना अच्छा मौका दिया अपने टैलेंट को दिखाने का। और जो भी जिम्मेदारी मुझे टेनिस क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंडिया के द्वारा दी जाएगी, मैं उसको 100% उसमें सहयोग करूँगा। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Myself, Hitesh Vaman Shilmake, City Bhandara, State Maharashtra. It was wonderful experience to attend the Tennis Cricket Association of India workshop along with all the participants from all over the India. It's not an easy job to organize such an excellent workshop. Full credit goes to the Tennis Cricket Association of India officials, especially Ashish sir and Rintu sir. Congratulations to all the participants qualified as an official for national level 1 and level 2. I am happy to be a part of Tennis Cricket Association of India family. Looking forward to work with the Tennis Cricket Association of India for the development and empowerment of tennis cricket in India. At last, I want to thank all the Tennis Cricket Association of India officials for their huge support during this pandemic situation.
This is Bharati Vasudevan from Tamil Nadu. I am very much happy to be a part in Tennis Cricket Association of India, and I'm very much happy to be in part in my cricket passion. And also I have to thank Sandil K. Naran, who have approached me and also asked me to do this certificate course. And my sincere thanks to the Tennis Cricket Association of India, of secretary and also the admin who have technical support, who have arranged this wonderful certificate course. And I am eagerly waiting to work with you all. And also this certificate course helps me to learn more about my Tennis Cricket Association, and also I have learned more things how it can be useful to the forthcoming years, and the classes and the test which I have done in a very good manner. Thanks for this wonderful opportunity.
I'm Aparna Singh from Uttar Pradesh. First of all, I would like to thank to all TCAI faculty, especially Kanhaiya sir, Rintu sir, Ashish sir. They gave me a chance to join such a good workshop. We got very good tennis cricket information from this workshop. Yes, and I can select at level 1. The workshop was very good and instructive, and we will always wish that TCAI goes ahead and achieves a lot of success. And in the same way, we kept giving all people a chance to move forward. So once again, thank you so much, sir, and all TCAI family. Thank you.
मैं प्रकाश सिंह, डिस्ट्रिक्ट भंडारा, स्टेट महाराष्ट्र। मैं सबसे पहले कन्हैया सर, रिंटू सर, आशीष सर, शिंदे सर, मीनाक्षी मैम का तहे दिल से आभारी हूँ, जिन्होंने मुझे 5 दिन का ऑनलाइन कोर्स में भाग लेने का मौका दिया। और इस कोर्स में मुझे काफ़ी अच्छी जानकारी मिली। मैं वैसे लेदर बॉल क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन से जुड़ा हूँ, लेदर बॉल में अंपायरिंग करता हूँ, लेकिन उसके नियम और टेनिस क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन के कुछ नियम अलग हैं। और इस 5 दिन में मुझे बहुत सारी अच्छी जानकारी मिली, काफ़ी डीप नॉलेज मिला। उसके लिए मैं टेनिस क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंडिया का तहे दिल से आभारी हूँ। और साथ ही रिंटू सर और आशीष सर का भी बहुत आभारी हूँ, जिन्होंने बहुत सुंदर ढंग से यहाँ पर एग्जाम्स लिए। और मैं इस एग्ज़ाम में लेवल 1 अंपायर्स क्वालिफाई हुआ हूँ। उसके लिए मैं एक बार फिर से सभी का धन्यवाद। थैंक यू।
वेबिनार के माध्यम से बीते 5 दिन में बहुत ही शानदार तरीके से एक वर्कशॉप हुआ था। उस वर्कशॉप में बहुत ही बढ़िया अंक हासिल करके मैं नेशनल ऑफिशियल के रूप में लेवल 1 में सिलेक्ट हुआ हूँ। इसके लिए मैं अपने आप पर काफी गौरवान्वित महसूस करता हूँ और आगे भी TCAI का इसी प्रकार का हमारे ऊपर भरोसा रहे और इसी प्रकार का मार्गदर्शन रहे और हम आगे हमारे भविष्य में और बढ़िया काम कर सकते हैं TCAI के माध्यम से। और आखिर में मैं धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करना चाहूँगा सारे टेक्निकल ग्रुप के जितने सारे ऑफिशियल्स हैं TCAI के, हमारे सभी पार्टिसिपेंट्स।
Hi, this is Varadarajan from Tamil Nadu. I would really wholeheartedly want to congratulate Mr. Rindu sir, Mr. Ashish sir, Mr. Arjun, and special thanks obviously to Mr. Sindhil sir. They really pulled this off with ease. The way Ashish sir and Rindu sir organized this was really good, it was really professional. And special thanks to Mr. Sindhil sir for making us understand with ease what are the rules and regulations of tennis cricket. It was really important, really helpful. Going forward, I am really excited to work with TCAI and be a part of such organizing events. And I hope they continue to do such great initiatives in the future. And all the best to TCAI, and very excited to be a part of it. Cheers.
Myself, Ankita Ashur from Maharashtra State. The online workshop session was really good. Senthil sir has teached us very well. He made my concepts clear about tennis cricket. I am feeling really fortunate by attending this online session, and I have learned and acknowledged much more things about tennis cricket. So thank you for this lovely session.
I'm Rajanantha Kanishka from Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu. I would like to thank the Tennis Cricket Association of India for conducting such a great 4th TCAI official workshops and certification course 2020 in the month of July. I would like to thank all the officials for conducting such a great workshop for us, and I am also thanking that I am selected for the first level national official in this workshop, and I am thanking all the officials, and I assure that I will bring a lot of glories and I will do sincerely for our association. Thank you.
this is Hrudananda Mahanta. I am from Odisha. Before saying anything, at first I would like to give heartily congratulations to great person recently who have elected. First of all, I would like to congratulate our President of Tennis Cricket Association of India, Kanhaiya sir. Then I thank as well as give the congratulations to our General Secretary of Tennis Cricket Association of India, Rintu sir, and also I give the thanks to Ashish sir, Ragini madam, and the Arjun sir for their great effort. This workshop was successfully done. No doubt, TCI is a great platform of a player to expose his or her inner talent from rural level to national or international level. What I say about the TCI workshop is an ocean of information or knowledge about the Tennis Cricket Association. It has unique identification in national or international level. Workshop was no doubt, it was very much colorful, it was peaceful, very much successful, progressive, and it was also powerful, glorious, ambiguous, and positive, as well as too much hopeful is there. I would like to say, may God and goddesses must be wish or blessing to the all members, those who are directly and indirectly supported to this organization, as well as for this workshop. So lastly, I would like to say Jai Hind, Jai Mahakal, Jai Tennis Cricket Association of India. Thank you. Namaste.